Brica Collapsible Trunk Organizer and Diaper by Munchkin is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Busy parents are always on the go. The manufacturer wants you to be prepared for anything when it comes to your little, so keep your trunk stocked with the Brica Out and About Trunk Organizer and Changing Station. This organizer has everything you need to make on-the-go parenting organized and easy. Multiple storage pockets including 2 large compartments for extra clothes, shoes and supplies, a wipes case, diaper changing pad, and disposable diaper bag dispenser. It's the solve-all for any traveling parent. The diaper changing pad turns your trunk into an instant diaper changing station with quick access to all your essentials without having to fuss with public restrooms. Each item is made from durable, easy-to-clean materials so this trunk organizer can easily last through multiple children. Additional diaper disposal bags are available for purchase. For a punch of odor-eliminating power, refill with the Arm & Hammer diaper disposal bag refills. Time to hit the road because you're ready. Large trunk organizer with multiple pockets is great for organization in the car or at home. Includes diaper changing pad, wipes case and disposable diaper bags. Collapsible design makes storing easy when not in use. Extra grip traction pads help keep the organizer in place. Made with durable, easy-to-clean material,